Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to do a video because I had someone message me yesterday and ask me if the map system, if you could promote any business you want to. So I thought it'd be a great video to do because it was a great question. And the answer to that question is yes, because even though the map system is a complete business in a box, you know, they call it a complete affiliate marketing ecosystem, meaning that you get one link to promote or to share with others, and then within that link, you know, there's many different ways that you can earn money with our system. So that is why you can definitely promote anything with that, okay? Because what happens is when you're promoting your map one link, you're building a list, all right? And that's pretty much the premise of what map is. You're building a list where all the leads are yours. They're hard-coded to you for life. You don't share them with the company or anything like that. So whenever you share your link and somebody opts in to become either a free member, a silver member, a gold member, or a platinum member, they're your lead for life, okay? Meaning that if they purchase anything within the system, you're gonna earn an upgrade, you're gonna earn a commission. And when the company sends out emails on your behalf with different promotions and different products, and they purchase, you're gonna earn a commission. So with that being said, while you're building your list, you also have the option of connecting your map system to a third-party autoresponder, okay? Now you can keep the leads in your back office with map, that's fine, but you can also have them go to, you know, say Aweber or SendShark or whatever you choose. This is how you promote your other stuff. You can then you're building a list that you can mail out to every day, and you can mail to them whatever you want because they're your leads. So in essence, you know, not only are you building your map business, which is a complete business in a box, you have the ability to mail out to all of your leads whatever you want. So if you're promoting something that isn't affiliated with map, you can send your leads your affiliate links to whatever it is that you want to do. So I just wanted to shoot that video, you know, this video, and answer that question because it was such a great question. And the answer is yes, you can use map to build whatever business you're in on top of building a map business or building a list that you're going to have for life. So it's a great system. Right now we're in phase 2 of 3, meaning that you can join at the platinum level and pay a one-time payment and never pay again. And that's what I chose to do because I saw the power in this system, and it just makes sense because once the system is released in next month, when phase 3 rolls out, you can join as a free member. But if you join as a platinum member, it's going to cost you $97 a month. There's also a discounted yearly price that you can pay. But why not just pay now? Even though it's a small investment, you know, but it's, you know, you can use PayPal Pay in 4, you can use a credit card. They accept many different payments. But it's worth it in my opinion because you're never going to have to pay again. So you're going to, you know, why not have something that's going to make you money for years to come and not have to worry about monthly payments or paying a yearly option or anything like that. So that is my opinion on it. You can visit joinruss.com. I created a new Linktree page where joinruss.com, you know, gets redirected over there, but it has all the things that I'm into right now, things that I'm promoting and the tools that I use. It's just an easier, for me to have one link instead of having, you know, 10 different links. So if you go to joinruss.com, you'll see the map link right there on that page. You just click on that. It's a 57-minute webinar that you can watch and get more information about the, you know, how everything works. So, but if you have any additional questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you find value in any of my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and giving me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you on my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.